Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make everyday tasks simple and fun. Today, we're diving into how to activate your Watsons card in 2025. If you're a fan of Watsons for their amazing health and beauty products, activating your card is the key to unlocking exclusive discounts, points, and rewards. Let's get started. First things first, what is the Watsons card? It's a loyalty program that lets you earn points on every purchase, access special promotions, and even get personalized recommendations. With updates for 2025, activation is quicker and more secure than ever. Before we begin, make sure you have your physical card handy. It usually comes with a unique code, or access to the Watsons app on your smartphone. Step 1. Download the Watsons app if you haven't already. Head to your app store, search for Watsons, and install it. Once it's downloaded, open the app and create an account if you're new. You'll need to enter your email, phone number, and a secure password. Step 2. Log into your account and look for the Card Activation section. It's usually right on the home screen or under a My Account tab. Enter your card details, like the 16-digit number on the back, and verify it with a one-time PIN sent to your phone. Step 3. If you prefer not to use the app, you can activate in-store. Just visit any Watsons branch, show your card to the cashier, and they'll scan it while you provide your contact info. For 2025, they've added a quick QR code scan option for faster service. Now, after activation, keep an eye on your points. Link your card to your app to track rewards in real time. One quick tip: always double-check your details to avoid any activation errors. There you have it, folks. Activating your Watsons card in 2025 is straightforward and totally worth it. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. What's your favorite Watsons product? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.